As we know, the pollution level in India and specifically in Delhi region is too bad. So I was looking for an air purifier that is portable and I can carry it anywhere, which not only can purify a small room but also can purify my car. And I did lot of research, guys. Initially I was thinking of buying a car air purifier, but I saw the CADR value, or the clean air delivery rate, is so low, which makes them really not so effective, especially when you are, let's say, traveling for half an hour. Therefore, I decided to go with this portable air purifier, which is from this Levoit brand. And in this video, we're not only going to unbox it, but I'm gonna show you how I am planning to use it inside my car. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it. Okay, so let me quickly open this outer packaging. I ordered it from Amazon, and if you also would like to buy the same, then I'm gonna put the buying link in the description of this video. And the good thing about this particular air purifier is that it can clean a room of size around 180 square feet, which is like greater than 13 by 13 square feet. And I think that would be sufficient enough, especially in case of car. Okay, so here we can see some of its feature, which is it is sleep friendly, quiet filtration, aromatherapy, which is quite nice, as you can add essential oil to it. And then here we can see this is easy one touch control, and then 360-degree air intake. Now let me open this, and you can see the size of it. It should not be that big. Okay, and there we go. So this is really a very small and portable one. And for those who are looking for big size air purifier, then do check out the video that I have created on Xiaomi air purifier and Kowei air purifier that I am already using. So this is, kind of my third air purifier, which I bought for special use case when I am going somewhere or I would like to use it in my car. And you can see the size of it, which is, I would say, very small, around 1 feet of height. And the reason why I bought it is because of its excellent rating in Amazon. It has around 4.7 star, and as of today this product already have received around 78,000 rating, which is really good. And if we talk about the filter here, so here we're gonna get HEPA H13 filter, which is, I would say, one of the best filter available to clean even small dust particle as small as 0.1. Now here we can see there is a warning which says that before using, remove the power adapter and plastic from the filter. So let me actually take this out, and I'm assuming that they have placed everything inside here. So let me actually rotate this, and there we go. So here is our fan unit, and now inside I can see here is a filter, and probably this one is my power cable, and this is our filter. So let me actually put it aside. So here what we are getting is, first of all, this filter. Let me actually open it up, and there we go. So here we can see the triple layer filter. The first one is your pre-cleaner layer, then the second one would be HEPA H13, and then the last one here inside is the carbon media. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna place it here like this, and here again I'm gonna place this top unit like this. Let me see if there is a particular direction to keep it. Okay, and now I guess we need to rotate it, and it is that easy, guys. Now let me quickly attach this adapter here, and here you can see if I talk about its output voltage, it is 12 volt and 1 ampere, and this is DC, which is, I would say, in terms of wattage, it is very lightweight. So either I can get this kind of adapter for my car, or I can use this kind of inverter for my car. If you also would like to buy this kind of inverter, then do check out the link that I have already added of it in the description down below. So let's power this up for the first time. So here is the hole, and let's put it inside. And let me press this button. And there we go. Here we can see it is running at first mode. And just by pressing this power button, you can increase its speed. And it is that easy. And this is the way I have kept this air cleaner here. And if we talk about these cardboard, then they came up with packaging itself. And the reason why I have chosen this particular model, not the car specific air purifier. So you look at the space here, okay? So generally the portable car air purifier, they sit here in the cupboard, and they're gonna make all your dashboard much more clunkier. And lot of also sit here, which I would say is riskier for anybody who going to sit here. And by any means, this air purifier have got much higher CADR value than any most expensive car air purifier. And since it only requires 7 watt of power, I'm going to utilize a power bank with it. And in this way, we also do not need to worry about wire routing. And if we talk about it may go anywhere, I don't think so. There is a lot of cushioning here and there. And then I also made sure that all these air intake holes are not getting blocked. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Nigitech, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.